Personal development during lockdown period. As we all are experiencing the COVID-19 pandemic. This COVID-19 is coronavirus disease of 2019. It is caused due to novel coronavirus SARS-CoV-2, which is the latest of all the coronaviruses. The first coronavirus was found in 1960s. Since then, various diseases have been caused due to these coronaviruses. And now, this COVID-19 is also due to this CoV-2. We all are aware of the impact of this COVID-19 pandemic. It is the most disastrous calamity that had happened to the humanity after World War II. Millions of people across the world from every corner of the world have got badly affected. Millions have been infected by coronavirus disease. Thousands of people have been killed across the world. As long as this pandemic is going on, the entire global economy is completely collapsed since last 6 months. We are aware that this COVID-19 was due to CoV-2, which was originated from China's Wuhan. Since then, almost all the countries in the world are badly affected due to it. Primarily, the Western countries are worst affected. We can see in America, even the deceased means the deaths are more than almost up to 1 lakh. See, every corner of the world, wherever we click, we can find the severity of this coronavirus disease. Even the richest and the most developed countries are badly affected. What about India's status? India's status is also very dangerous one. We can get the authentic data from this mygov.in website, which is the government website. We can get all the details from it. As on today, the active cases are 80,000, cured are 60,000, deaths are more than 4,000. Means we are far better than majority of the countries in the world, but at the same time the situation is quite gloomy. This is the state-wise status of this COVID-19 pandemic, where Maharashtra leads with more than 50,000 cases at the moment, and other states are also following. So what can we do? There are various protective measures that we have to follow. We all are aware of them and following them, but then also some of them are highlighted here, which are offered by World Health Organization. We should wash our hands frequently with hand wash or soap. We should use the sanitizer whenever needed. We should maintain the social distancing, and we should stay in home as much as possible. Go out if it is very much necessary. Avoid touching hands, eyes, nose and mouth. Practice respiratory hygiene. Use masks when we are feeling any type of fever, cough, or any uneasiness regarding breathing. We should immediately approach to the doctor and follow their instructions. One very good initiative have been offered by Government of India, that is Arogya Setu app. It is a wonderful, useful medium of staying away from this disease. We should install it on our smartphone and get updated regarding this disease and stay away from the infected people. So I request you all to download it and use it. Most affected states, as we all know, COVID-19 has given the complete lockdown since last 3 months. Right from 24th March, we are still in a lockdown. We have seen various types of social instances. Majority of them are very painstaking, and some of them are really proud moments for the humanity. So this lockdown has also changed our life. Our lifestyle has completely changed since we are caged in our homes. Our routine has been quite a transformed one. Our needs have got restricted. Food habits also, we have drawn towards more a vegetarian sort of habit, as well as some packaged fast food is also in demand. Our priorities nowadays are quite different from the previous ones. It has led to some psychological aspects also. We are in our home, so we are much more family oriented these days, but at the same time there are issues of privacy as well as more that of the domestic violence that is occurring across the country. At the same time, we are much more relaxed, calm and collective in our approach. We are trying to be reflective towards ourselves. We are thinking about ourselves. That is a very good use of this pandemic time. So what can we do to improve our personal development? It is through various aspects of personal development. We can perform various physical activities like yoga, meditation, Surya Namaskar, aerobics in the available area in our own homes. Psychologically and emotionally, I think meditation is the best medium for doing all these things. Spiritually, if you believe in God, wherever and whenever, through whichever mode or whichever way you follow, I think spirituality will lead to positivity and self-belief. So I think spirituality is a very good way to move ahead in these difficult times. And socially, we should get connected with other people through social media and communication. So what should we do? We should go for reading in academic terms or any other area of your interest. We can go for the reading. It is the best way to improve ourselves. Writing, we can go for academic writing as well as non-academic, but it will definitely, you will be utilizing our time in a very good way. There are various webinars, workshops, online activities that will prove to be instrumental in improving our ICT skills and competencies. We should go for professional networking and collaboration to develop our personal learning network. This is the time to do it, and there are various platforms to do it. Strengthen our profile while doing some activities and doing some workshops and all those things. Learn, unlearn and relearn, so we can have a different attitude towards life, and these are 5 lessons to do it. जब हौसला बना लिया ऊंची उड़ान का, फिर देखना फिजूल है कद आसमान का. I hope we come out of these difficult times very soon. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.